Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We are gonna start up our Dodge Ramcharger. Let's give a listen to it, kind of show you what works. There you see the oil pressure and the gas gauge going up. It's cold, so the temp gauge isn't up yet. Blinker, it's hard to see. The indicator isn't working, but it's clicking. And that one's working over there. Horn works. Wiper works. Radio's new, so I believe that works. There's tuner.
And that's a good thing.
Yeah.
But if your vehicle is ever damaged, call No Charge Jason at Gary's Auto Body.
Heater fan works. Does got power windows also. Power windows work. Oh, there's your dome light back there. Turn the lights on. Also got tilt wheel. Sounds good. 318's good, dependable motors. Said they didn't match. They repainted it and didn't match the original color up on the top color. So just so you know, it looks okay though. So it's not a big deal. But it sounds good. There's the exhaust. Got new tailpipes. Tail lights. So I believe everything works on it. Previous owner told me the cruise control worked. So really nice old Ramcharger. So any questions, give me a call. 605-695-7391.